Hello, this is Atsushi, a Sashiko repair artist. It has been a long time since I uploaded the how-to video. Thank you so much for waiting a long time. This is a video explaining how to draw Asano-ha pattern. First, let's decide the size of Asano-ha pattern. This time I used 5 cm, which is about 2 inch for the size of Asano-ha. Draw the horizontal line with the interval of the size you decided in the beginning, which is 5 cm right now, 2 inches. Then just keep drawing the line. Then make the center dot wherever you'd like to. After making the center dot, put the dots on the same line with the interval length you decided initially, which is 5 cm or 2 inch. Keep making the dots. When you move to the next line, shift the dots by 50% and make the same interval. After making dots, connect all the dots by drawing lines. The other angle as well. It is a bit tricky from here. After connecting all the dots, draw the line from the dots you made. The length is about 70% of the initial length you decided, which is about 3.5 centimeter or 1.4 inch this time. This percentage, 70%, can be modified based on your preferences on the Asano pattern result. 70% is a good benchmark to start with. I forgot to mention that, but the line is vertical one to the first line you made. So as the video shows, you keep just drawing the lines from all the dots vertically. After drawing the vertical lines, which is about 70% of the length, let's connect all the dots and the end of those 70% length lines. You will start seeing the Asano patterns. It is almost impossible for me to explain these tutorials without video, so I hope my explanation with the visual aid helped you to understand the how to. This is just a sample of how to draw a Asano-ha pattern. You may find the other method helpful. Regardless, it is a great way to enjoy Sashiko more, so I hope you can enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.